You will never believe that. Whenever I wake up, I used to think about the gardens outside my house. I used to go outside there, watch there. I used to water them with a lot of love and care and with a lot and lots of love from my side towards them. And they also never leave me with the hopeless, with the sad mood and boringness. This shows me with a lot of love, with the beautiful flowers and the beautiful plants towards me. They have also given me lots and lots towards me in my life. Plant has also no desire of a good pot or a beautiful pot. You can just give like me with the place which can hold the soil and beautiful place just with a lot of love and give some care towards them. I think plants also know how much we love towards them, and with that, they give us the result how much we love and care towards them. With that, friends, I'm here to share the work I've done this week, and please show me some love, like my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please share towards the friends which love their flowers and gardening works. So let's go, my friends, and tell me from where you're watching from. Hello, welcome back, welcome back. I always used to talk about the gardens. Today, I want to share you the work I have done with my gardens and my flowers upgrade, which I have almost done with the zero cost. So let's go and let me share you my flowers and my gardens work. Before I start, I want to say that start loving yourself, and with the love of yourself, can do whatever you want. And I love myself, and I can do whatever I want. So love yourself, take care of yourself, and be brave, be strong. Women, you are stronger than anyone else in this world. So let's go, friends. Here, friends, these are my flowers which I had done, and they're almost blooming. Bleeding hot, bleeding hot. See, blood are bleeding, and beside, red calendar is hiding. And this is another mixture of white and red calancho. And this is another bleeding heart. And I don't know why she's so upset. This is my devil bougainvillea. And they've done their flowers. See, all these pots are the waste of my borapatsa. And so this time I had met the saplings of my geraniums. See, I've made more than the 50 saplings. These are all the waste plastic which I have made myself. And this is my baby calendars, which are just blooming so beautiful. Bema cudały. I met all the sapling by myself because I love these flowers very much. Few I used to sell when the order comes, and some I used to keep like this. Oh, sorry, like this to beautify my to beautify to beautify my home. I never used to judge any kind of flowers because when they bloom, they used to bloom so beautiful like this. I have all kept carnations, calla lily, strawberries, and my beautiful carnation again. See this carnations, eh, calendars, and carnations is about to bloom now. It's been almost 1 week by blooming these flowers. Still blooming so healthy. I'm planting and experiencing these flowers for the first time, so I'm studying about these flowers. About the bulb, they can divide their bulb when they go back to the dormancy in the winters, and they can divide their bulb if they have multiplied their baby bulb. So because of that, I made a few more with the help of the dividing the bulb. So I don't know about the flowerings. Flowers also lasting more than the week. I can see. I don't know how much they will last. I will tell you. Calendars last almost more than a month now. They have been so beautiful, blooming. No, it's been 2 months now. Wow, they are blooming so well. See, double carnation of red, double carnation of pink, and this is the baby bulb. At this point, I've kept all my ivy geraniums and calla lilies. The geraniums I have kept here was shifted there by adding some soil and all. So see, ivy geraniums, and I don't know from where she's came, newcomer of my gardens. This is my center point of my garden. So let me show you what's blooming in my center point of my garden. Firstly, see my salvia. They have just hybrided themselves, and this plant has come in different color, white and red, because I have planted white and red, pure red, and this is a new colors of salvia. I got a new plant. Father and mother, and this is a baby. You can see. This is the advantages of garden. If you have any other colors, you get new colors. This is my, what color it is? Pink, red, white. क्या है color? What color is it? I don't know. I want it pink, red and purple. I think this might be the purple. And this is red. See, yellow inside, so beautiful. And purple again. And the pink there. And these petunias are adding more beautiful in my garden. I think they have done their flowerings. These cactus flowers, they are also blooming red one. They have done their flowering. This, what is this? क्या है? Daffodils, not blooming at all at my place. I know they bloom only at the cooler places than me, but they had some beautifications in my garden, so I kept here, and this much only in this pot. Wow, see how beautiful they are. This is my monkey tail. I used to tell this flower as a monkey tail. They also bloom so beautiful. This is my rose flowers, which I propagated from the cutting, and now they are giving me rose. So cute. I have 3 of the same color, and these all are my cactus. Wow, see these beautiful flowers. I love these beautiful flowers of leaf, but here at my place I can't get like this. I brought. कहाँ से मैंने उठा के लेके आया था ये, तो growing well. When I was stealing, I didn't even got a bulb. I just take out this part of having some roots, and they're growing well. This is the second year. New baby also coming. Thank you so much for loving me and growing at my place. And this is my baby jet plant. So friends, thank you so much for staying till the end. How was my gardening? How was my work? And please tell me from where you're watching my videos, and if you have anything to share, please comment me in my comment box and show me some love, friends. I'm also very new. I don't know that much to share gardens, but I'm just sharing on what's growing on my gardens. So bye bye, love you all.